Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is National Florence Nightingale Awards 2022 to 2023. Recently, President conferred the National Florence Nightingale Awards for the years 2022 and 2023 to the nursing professionals at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. 30 nursing professionals were awarded the prestigious award for their dedication, duty and service to the community. On the occasion, Health and Family Welfare Minister briefed President about the progress of Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Abhiyan. Now, information about National Florence Nightingale Award. The awards are given as a mark of recognition for the meritorious services rendered by nursing professionals in the country. It was instituted by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India in the year 1973. It encourages and motivates nurses to continue their dedicated service and strive for excellence in patient care. Awards are considered one of the highest honors in the nursing profession in India.